Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting with a new chapter, the Ailing Planet. Ailing planet means the ill planet or the unhealthy planet. We all very well know that the human activities, the random and the careless approach of the humans have destroyed our planet Earth, have destroyed the natural beauty of our planet, and now our planet is unhealthy, right? It's ailing, it's in pain, it's unhealthy, it's ill, right? Our activities have caused us to be like this. So this chapter is all about what kind of drastic changes our earth has gone through, how human activities are responsible for it, and what can be done so that our planet can once again become healthy. Now, this chapter focuses on the factors that are responsible for the declining health of the earth. The chapter was originally an article written by Nani Palkhiwala, which was published in the newspaper The Indian Express on November 23, 1994. The writer discusses the Green Movement, how a zoo in Zambia declared human beings as world's most dangerous animals. The writer also focuses on overpopulation, deforestation, and what should be our responsibility towards the environment. In this chapter, the writer raises an issue towards the deteriorating health of the earth. As human beings have been exploiting natural resources from decades, presently the condition has made the environment critical. Right? We have overused our resources and we have ruthlessly used our resources without considering that these resources might not be renewed in future, right? That some of these resources are non renewable, right? And we are even not leaving anything for our future generation. We have simply exploited these resources. We have used these resources without any resource planning. And now we feel, come on, when these resources are at the end, at the verge of extinction, they might get extinct, right? So we are thinking, come on, there was a need for resource planning. In 1972, the Green Movement helped environmentalists to raise awareness about the harmful condition of the earth. And since then, there has been no looking back as the movement has been successfully educating people about the conservation of the environment. Why Green Movement? Planting more and more trees, as trees are the very essential source of human survival. The way humans were cutting forest, the way forests were disappearing from our globe, it has caused a very bad impact on our planet Earth. So the very first thing which we can do for our planet is to plant as many trees as we can. Earth is like a patient whose health is declining, and it is our duty to improve it. In 1987, the term sustainable development was used by the World Commission on Environment and Development. Sustainable development means we are using the resources, but in a way that enough is left for our future generation also. We are not exploiting it, we are using it in a very careful manner so that we leave resources for our future generation as well. A zoo in Lukasa, Zambia has a cage in which a sign reads, "The world's most dangerous animal." And inside there is a mirror. And it gives a very deep message that we are the worst animals, right? Why? Because we have the condition in which our planet Earth is today. It is wholly and solely because of our careless approach. It gives a message that human beings are the most dangerous animals. Brandt Commission raised a question. Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes in ailing environment. The way we are putting masks today and moving out of our houses, right? We don't have fresh air to breathe. We don't have clean water to drink. So he says, Ki, come on, this is what we are going to leave for our future generation, an unhealthy planet, an environment where they cannot even breathe freely. There are four principal biological systems that form the foundation of the global economic system. So what are these four principal biological systems? Fisheries, grassland, forest and cropland. These four systems also provide food and raw material for industries, except for minerals and synthetics. With these systems becoming unsustainable, fisheries will collapse, the forest will slowly disappear, grasslands will turn into barren wasteland, and croplands will become forests. In poor countries, forests are being cut down for fuel wood, which is used for cooking purposes. There are some areas where the cost of fuel wood is more than the cost of food. It is leading to deforestation at an alarming rate. Right? The way, trees are being cut for fuel wood, the way the trees are being cut for some or the other purposes, deforestation has led to a major problem in India, right? Not only in India, across the world. The way trees are being cut, the way the trees are being cut, the way the forests are disappearing. One of the reasons for the exploitation of the environment is the increasing population. It is observed that about 1 million population is increasing in every 4 days. This is not a good sign. There is an urgent need to control overpopulation in the world. Why? Because overpopulation creates unnecessary pressure on the existing resources. Because resources are limited, right? Resources are limited, but consumption is more, and that is why it leads to the overexploitation of resources. Overpopulation is directly proportional to overexploitation of resources, limited resources which are available on planet Earth. Development is the best contraceptive for this problem, as it will help in a reduction in fertility, increase in education and income, and improve in health. We must see the world as a whole and not as disassociated parts. It is a holistic and ecological view. According to Lester Brown, we have not inherited the earth from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our future generations. Now class, what you will do is you will draw a storyboard for this chapter, the Ailing Planet. Draw a storyboard, give an explanation and what could be done to improve the condition of our planet Earth. If any queries there, you people are free to raise questions in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.